Well, gaming is the fastest growing PC category, and keeping in mind this, HP India has expanded its portfolio by launching these two new pretty cool looking products just for you. So let's take a look at the details. Targeted at mainstream gamers, HP India unveiled its new Pavilion Gaming range along with the new HP Omain 15 laptop in the country. The HP Pavilion Gaming provides optimum gaming experiences, value and versatility for everyday use, while the HP Omain series are a more powerful laptops in a small form factor and have the world's first headset with active ear cup cooling technology.
Omain 15 is targeted at the pro and the enthusiast gamers, and the Pavilion 15 is targeted at the mainstream gamers. Both of them are extremely great machines to game with. The Pavilion offers you the choice of being able to do other tasks as well, and a slightly lesser price point, whereas the Omain is much more feature packed and custom built for gaming.
Engineered for gaming performance, these laptops hit all the marks that a gamer will look for in a device. Delivering top-notch experiences on the go or at home, these laptops include a flexible variety of storage options and dual storage option with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. The Omain 15 laptop is equipped with 144Hz refresh rate for immersive display with 7 millisecond response time and expanded functionality of Omain Command Center software with Omain Game Stream 5.
I think we have some features that nobody else has right now. Cooling is very, very efficient. We have always done well in this Indian market. On the PC side, we almost have 1/3 share. So almost every 1 in 3 PCs is an HP. In the short term we have launched, we already have about a quarter of the market. So we think we'll do well because we're also very clear. We take feedback from gamers and then we fine-tune the product.
HP Pavilion Gaming 15 laptop is available at a price starting at 74,990 rupees, while Omain 15 laptop is available at a price starting at 1,05,990 rupees.